I'm in Delhi at Yashobhumi, where Ministry of Power, EPZ and DMG Events is organizing Bharat Electricity Summit 2026. I am having with me Tarun Gugnani, the sales head of Arabelle Solutions.
Hi, hello.
Welcome to Machine Maker.
Thank you, my pleasure.
It was great meeting you at this Bharat Electricity Summit. Thanks for talking to us. The India, what we see, even coming here at Yashobhumi, is completely different than what we have seen before 10 years. How do you see this transformation happening?
Great credit goes to the current government, which has played a key role in the power sector. So right from 10 years back when there used to be power cuts, and today, at least in the major cities, whether tier 1 or 2, power cuts are unheard of, and we become more or less self-sufficient in power. The government from insufficiency in power to making us self-sufficient is now leapfrogging into transition of focus on green power and clean power. So the clean power, focus, which already started with solar and then solar battery, various manufacturers in all this clean power, and at this, while facilitating these people, the government has also set up a big program on nuclear, another bedrock of clean power, plan of 100 gigawatt by 2047 when we want to be Viksit Bharat. The government is organizing this Bharat Electricity Summit on all these various topics, where we as Arabelle come into the nuclear play.
Nuclear as an energy is something which you think that can take us to that level?
So we were essentially a coal plant-driven power plant sector. When we migrated and focused largely on solar and wind in the transition to green, we realized that when the sun shines or when the wind blows, there's electricity, but when neither of this happens, you are loomed in darkness. So you cannot. And battery storage, there's a lot of work going on, but still it is some miles away from having competitive solutions, and affordable power on battery storage for the night. So the government has become very clear that we need to have base load plants which can, run for our base load operations, and nuclear comes in here. So the government realized that nuclear is one big, fuel sector which can help us to have strong base load. So while we still continue with coal expansions, the intent is that eventually by 2047, when we have 100 gigawatt of nuclear, this will form a strong base for the country, for the base load. And in parallel, of course, the other energies will also have their own solutions which will become affordable. Storage would also become affordable by that time. So it's a multi-pronged approach for the power for the country which the government is planning. Why can't we go to a stall and see what we are showcasing there?
Arabelle Solutions, a very young and dynamic name in the Indian power sector. So, if you can just share more details.
Our technology is, goes back several decades. We, as such, are currently in the, process of promoting this brand to our existing Indian customers and also to the new entrants in the sector. We have so far covered our existing clients because existing customers or partners are not many. So primarily NPCIL is the only customer, and BHEL is our partner. So they know us. They know us from before, and they understand. They've experienced our products. So NPCIL has our products, main turbine island, turbine generators installed in their plants way back, starting from the first plant in Tarapur in 1969, and so those were direct supplies made by our companies the earlier heritage, and we are practically there in almost all plants of NPCIL. Our presence in terms of turbines or generators, either some places supply is made directly or through our partner BHEL, who is our licensee, and our technologies are with them. Uh, Even in the it starts with 220 megawatt program of NPCIL and now 700 megawatt. So where the recent project called Rawat Bhata stage 8, which is under advanced stage of commissioning, it also has our turbines, and the next fleet orders for Gorakhpur and Kaiga 700 megawatt turbines also are with us and with BHEL. We're sharing those orders. We are manufacturing these machines at Sanand. So the customer and our partner, they understand us. But yeah, to most of the new entrants and others, we are in the process of explaining what we are, where do we come from.
You are a very proud Make in India company. So what is your manufacturing and what are the kind of ecosystem you have created for making in India?
Yeah, so we have a factory in Sanand in Gujarat where we manufacture turbines and generators for nuclear plants. This facility can produce, small turbines from 200 megawatt to 700 to 800 megawatt. So Sanand is really playing a pivotal role in the company for the Indian program and also for these machines for the small modular reactors globally. And we have a sizable engineering presence in Noida. In fact, we have more than 100 engineers there and growing. In fact, this team is the largest outside France. Such a big team of engineers sitting here, and they've got expertise in almost all areas of the value chain in the turbine island solution that we offer. So our team sitting in Noida works for global as well as Indian projects, and so this Indian local footprint really helps us position ourselves well for the Indian nuclear program.
We are seeing that even in defense, there are a lot of private players coming. So how do you think that, what is the future of nuclear power in India?
Government should have a framework which should allow even private players and other public sectors to come in and set up nuclear power plants. So in those interactions of 2 years, it became clear that they need to make amendments to the Atomic Energy Act, which only allowed one entity to run nuclear plants. And hence, as a result of those interactions, government came up with the Shanti Bill, and this is a new nuclear bill which replaces the old Atomic Energy Act. And in this bill, the government has opened the doors for private industry to set up nuclear plants, just like private industry sets up thermal plants or solar or wind plants. By any standards, 100 gigawatt is a very big plan because there's a huge capex involved. And nevertheless, there is a safety factor associated with nuclear. So the government is also looking at how to overall the entire nuclear ecosystem such that safety still remains paramount. The regulator is more free and gets a statutory mandate, and then fuel and heavy water are still handled by government. So subsequent to the act, the government is working on rules, how to operationalize the act.
How do you think that this step, the big step, can make a difference for your business here?
Yeah, so it's an important opportunity for us, and we are very excited to pursue this nuclear mission of 100 gigawatt by 2047 by government. We have possibly the widest range of turbine island. We provide turbine island solutions for nuclear power plants. and we give turbine islands from 50 megawatt to 1900 megawatt, the biggest size turbine generators that can be done in nuclear. So we have a very wide range, and then we have several decades of experience, of operational experience with reliable products. We offer entire turbine island solutions, including key components like turbines, generators, heat exchangers, and pumps, which are core components of the turbine island part. Uh, uh, we have several decades of experience in all these products that go into this solution. While we are a French-based organization, we've been present in India providing these solutions right from the first nuclear plant that was set up in India in 1969, Tarapur by NPCIL. So we have our turbine generators in that plant, and we have our products either supplied directly by us or through our partner BHEL in almost all of the nuclear power plants of NPCIL in India. So right from Tarapur to the last Rawat Bhata project, which is under advanced stage of commissioning, and next slew of projects like Gorakhpur and Kaiga, which were ordered few years back. We are executing and manufacturing those turbines in our facility in Sanand in Gujarat. So we are very well geared up to address to this program of Government of India. So I think we are rarely one of those companies, though we are like global but local. So we are very much Indian in terms of our offerings and footprint, and we cater to the entire range. So I think we will play a significant role in this expansion program that the government is looking at, and I'm excited about it.
It was great for Tarunji to share his time here at this Bharat Electricity Summit 2026, and I think till 2047 a lot to go, and we wish you and Arabelle Solutions all the very best.